to fix the graphics card does not support DirectX 11 features error. And if you've been stuck with it, you know how frustrating it can be. Are you facing this problem while trying to run games or apps? This usually happens because your graphics card is either too old or missing the right drivers to support DirectX 11. Many solutions you'll find on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving most people more frustrated than before. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a secret easy trick that works in minutes without complicated steps. All you need to do is update your graphics driver properly or use a lightweight software that enables DirectX 11 features on older cards. It's simple, fast, and anyone can do it. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to click, drop a comment below, and Rexish will guide you through every move so your games and apps run smoothly again.